they say that when you watch porn, you look at the person's face. But when you're with your partner, you look at her body, not her face. It should be the opposite. For some weird reason, when people watch fellas,
iba talaga yung opinion ng mga lalaki, no?
You look at the person's face, the girl's face, di ba? Most of the time, be like, pero usually, dapat yun yung body yung titignan.
Rico, tinitingnan mo yung mukha ni Phoebe, may kinuwento ka sa akin. Sabi mo, she have a very, kasi nung una, sabi talaga, Rico, yan na si Phoebe talaga. Kasi sa lahat ng babae na kinikwenta ni Rico, kasi he's like my brother. Nung single pa to si Rico, we would always hang out. And then like, Sherry, I met this girl, ganyan. Ay, hindi, ayoko yan. Wag yan, lolokohin ka lang yan, ganyan. And then, nung na-meet niya si Phoebe, Rico, okay yan, kasi I know her.
Galing press.
Go mo na yan, oo.
Press ko,
Tapos, sabi ko, pero tingnan mo muna yung sex face niya, ha? Pagka-sex mo, baka naman hindi maganda. Pero maganda siya.
Uy, grabe.
Eto na, nung
kahit pag nag-sex na, ayaw mo na, go na.
Hindi,
Kahit
syempre.
after sex.
Kasi
Hindi,
yan
pero
eh.
eto na nga
Grabe,
yun.
ah.
Nung nag-sex na kayo, sabi ni Rico, Sherry,
Hindi pa
she
kami
have a very
nagsisex,
beautiful
Dad.
fuck face.
Sabi ko, friend,
friend.
ganda ng fuck face siya, naka-makeup pa siya. Galing press con, ganda ng mukha.
Tapos eto pa. Tapos ano nangyari? Grabe, nasira yung kama namin. Inayos ko.
Hindi, pero yung alam mo,
Natitouch daw sa wall.
naka-makeup kasi siya, tapos galing press con. So,
Oo.
and I'm like, now I know how porn stars feel. Alam mo yun? It
So,
was
alam mo
very,
na.
it was very empowering. You know what I mean?